how to see who liked you on Happn without premium. It's very easy. First of all, open your Happn application, and then you can see your page filled with people. You may just like the person or dislike the person. If you like the person, tap on the heart icon. If you don't, then tap on the cross, and the person will be swapped to another person. So here in this way, you can scroll and look for people that you are interested in. So how you can see who liked you on Happn? What you need to do is tap on the letter heart icon at this option at the side of map. Tap on it, and here you can see if any person has liked you on this account, then you'll get a notification about who has liked you on Happn. And in the meantime, you may also increase your visibility by boosting your profile or improving your profile so that person will notice you and give you likes. So in this way, you can see who liked you on Happn without any premium. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.